Welcome or welcome back to my channel if you're new here. My name is Alexandra and today we're gonna have a super fun, also a very productive weekend. I woke up earlier today, but I took out Leo and did a few things, prepped some food for lunch that we're gonna have and wrote our grocery list. Also, it is a long weekend. Today is Saturday. No, today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday, so we still have the day off. First thing on the agenda today is to go get some groceries, so let's go do that. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's. So freaking cold! There's been like a frost advisory and
And a fall advisory too.
In a fall? Where is it? There's been a frost advisory, frost advisory for what feels like forever now. It has been freaking cold, and I know this is not very cold for a lot of people that probably live like, you know, in actual cold areas, but it's like what, 40 degrees right now and it's 11 a.m. It is so cold and I do not like it. We've still been like going on our walks and stuff, but it's been so freezing cold. And yesterday I left my warmest like jacket at my friend's car, so I don't know when I'm gonna go pick that up. Maybe this weekend, I don't know, we'll see. We got our grocery bags. This is actually the cutest grocery bag I've gotten from Trader Joe's. It's so cute. I saw a lot of people like have it and I'm like, I want it because it's so cute. You know how I've been saying that we use the Alexa app to get our groceries, or to write our grocery list? Caesar found a new app which is called AnyList. And basically you write, like, he added our recipes that we are trying to make, so I'll show you here if you can see it. If not, I'll do a screenshot on the screen, but these are the recipes that we usually make or are trying to make, new ones and old ones. And so in here, once you click on one of them, if I click on roasted vegetable quinoa bowl, like, you get all the actual items that you need, and then from then you can like add them onto your cart of the things that like actually create your grocery list. So new app that he found, which is really helpful. You can also do like a pay version where you can have other features, like I think you can have a calendar of scheduling out your meals or something like that. So yeah, I don't know if anybody's interested, but I think that's gonna be our app now that we added the recipes onto there, so that it's easier, like we know, instead of adding like one thing by line onto the Alexa app. So yeah, quick little update in case you're interested in using it. But let's go grocery shopping. This is the album of the moment. We are so sore from the gym.
Yeah.
I have a new child. I shall call her Lola. I saw this outside of Trader Joe's and I was like, I really want it. She's so gorgeous. It's like a hanging planter and it was like $12, I think. But this is my next mission, is to keep this one alive. I really would like to fill up the apartment with plants, but the thing is, I'm going one by one because I've had a plant in the past in college that died. She didn't really make it very far, and then now I have had my snake plant for a while, which she's still doing well, but also a snake plant, you don't need to water her often, which is why we're working well with it, because I don't need to be like watering her all the time. This one, I need to read what type of plant she is, but my next mission now is to keep this one alive. So yes, I just think she's gorgeous because she has a little planter, and I do want to add more color to her apartment, so I I'm excited about this one. So I actually started cooking a little bit in the morning before we left. I made our quinoa, and now I'm prepping the veggies that are gonna go in the oven. So I'm just gonna add, I already chopped them all up and left them in the tray, so I just added oil, and I'm just gonna prep them with some salt and pepper. So today we're gonna have, if you remember in my last vlog, I made a little like recipes thing, like, ignore that. We made a whole Excel sheet of things we wanted to make for the week. So this is actually the first one that we haven't made the quinoa bowl until today. So now I'm making it. We're adding some pepper first. Adding some salt. These are the veggies that are gonna go on top of the quinoa, with the quinoa, and then I'm adding some thyme, and I will link the recipe down below. As I mentioned in my last vlog too, we're continuing kind of like the becoming the best version of ourselves, and one of the things is finding my love for cooking and also just creating, you know, fun, new, also healthy recipes. So this is one of them I've been wanting to make. I did grow up eating quinoa, but I personally never made it. My mom made it. So, yeah. We're gonna try this out. It actually looks really beautiful. This is what it's looking like. And again, the app that we've been using is this one. It literally tells you, like, because Caesar put all the recipes in here. And so I have, like, all the steps as to what we're doing, and I can highlight them, which is really cool. So this is the roasted vegetable quinoa bowl, and yeah, this is all the items. You can check them off and add them to your grocery list, and then you can view the full recipe. We're putting this in the oven at 400 degrees. So yeah, that is gonna be our lunch for today. So it is much later. We finished our lunch, which was so good. I will add the recipe to the quinoa bowl, veggie quinoa bowl. I think it is in the description box in case you're interested. Of my vision board, I actually decided to make a physical one because I've been doing a digital one for so long, I think the last couple years, and I feel like it would really help me to see a physical one, like outside of my phone, outside of my iPad, outside of my laptop, just to actually see it in my room every day. So I made one. It's up there now, and I'm really happy. It looks so cute. I took out my little dresser, as you can tell, and I feel like it looks so much better. So I am so happy with the setup. I also cleaned out this room. Now I am having this little setup session. I have been looking at some video ideas, and I really want to start doing Valentine's Day things. So as you can tell, I'm wearing red, and I have a little heart sweater back there. I really want to start doing Valentine's Day content, so that's what we're gonna do. I want to do a simple makeup Valentine's Day look inspired, and then also do a couple hairstyles. Leo's having a tantrum. I'm trying to throw my clothes away. Leo, no. Okay. And I wanted to do also a thrift haul as well, so that's what they're there. let's start filming. It is the next day. It is Sunday. I thought I would continue the vlog today. Last night, I honestly filmed so much content. I was like in my zone and I filmed a lot. I edited a lot. Then Caesar had a friend over, so we just chilled, watched some movie, and then yeah, I spent a lot of time editing. I stayed up really late editing, pretty much edited like a week's worth of reels, like per day. I feel really productive with my content. I'm so happy. I figured out like a whole setup for lighting and content quality and all that stuff. So I'm really happy. The only thing is I really need to get a new mic. The mic that I got off of Amazon, for some reason in the videos, they sound very muffled. I don't know why. So I've just been charging it for now, but I might try out one that I have at work and see, and then maybe I'll buy it myself for my content. This is my fluffy sweater with some leggings. We're gonna go for a quick little hike. Just braided my hair, got ready, and then also I have a bunch of things that I want to show you guys, but probably later today before I start doing laundry and putting things away from the thrift store yesterday. I got a lot of coats and a lot of like super cool pieces that I'm super excited about from Savor, so I'll show you that later. Our car wash. Daddy's getting a car wash. We have been walking. Well, we walked to the coffee shop and I waited with Leo outside. Caesar got us coffees. We both got lattes, and now we're actually gonna start our little hiking walk. But we already walked for like 30 minutes, but we're officially starting our walk. It feels really relaxing to walk and be outside. I love being outside and walking in nature when it's this weather, like nice weather. Finished our walk and we're gonna get some empanadas. They have Peruvian empanadas. They have different like types of empanadas. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I am in bed. I got so much done this weekend overall. I'm really proud of myself. And today I was so active. We went to the gym, and besides that, you guys saw we went for our super like long walk slash hike today. And Leo is so tired. He's already been like knocked out in bed. We had some Chipotle bowl for dinner. Me and Caesar put it together, and it was super good because my brother came over, and yeah, we just watched like a little comedy thing and just chilled. It's been such a nice long 3-day weekend. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and check out my Instagram as well because there's so much content I'm posting there. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day or night. Bye.